It's a weird little video, this one. It was the first trip out with the rear facing camera in its new position. I've located it just underneath the top box. So if there was a camera that I didn't think was going to get right, I thought it was going to be that, and we'd have to tweak the position and everything, but I think that's come out okay. However, I was using the GoPro Hero 9 Black for the forward facing camera for the first time, and I didn't check the position. So this is just really a video to emphasize: position it where you think, double check it, double check it, double check it. So the first part, I think, is about 5 minutes, about 5 minutes long. You can see I keep going from the back to the front camera, and the front camera is just looking at my dash on the bike. We stopped for a break, and we had a cup of coffee and a sandwich. Then afterwards, when we got going again, repositioned the forward facing camera, and I think the position was a bit better, but before I use it again, I'll be going through the tests and trying to get it set properly again. Anyway, see what you think, but like I say, it's just an emphasize: double check the camera before you go out using it for the first time.
Right, so we'll see what this GoPro 9's like. Stabilisation.
Mega. Hyper smooth it's called.
That's just the operator.
Right. I won't go that far.
Yeah, I won't be too sure.
Yeah.
20p.
It's a cheat, this, isn't it, really?
It is.
You know what I mean? Take my bloody glove off.
Shall we just clear off?
No.
Dad's paying.
Going dead.
Going dead. There you go. Oh, sorry. Cheers. Lovely, thanks a lot. Cheers. 20p. Jesus.
They must make a living out of it, though. You right?
Yeah, sorted, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's not make enough though for us. I want a vote at least.
Enough to pay his wages, I wouldn't have thought.
Hey up. Both these cars are coming down here.
Yeah, that's fine.
So this is another one of them roads I don't think we've ever been down, have we?
Not been down here, definitely not.
No. Well, that's nice, isn't it?
We're coming over the bridge.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
I don't know what my own sounds like. Oh. Shite.
Let's try and get a air compressor set up in one of your bags, the top box. Get a proper arrow. Yeah, get some tones going on it.
Car coming. Right, what's
What's
this
done
here?
as well?
Oh, we go round to the left here.
It's nice as well. It's a new build.
Yeah. Hey up, A6. Soul.
Get along, did it?
No. Gotta
The
do.
average-
I do love
average
throwing these
cameras.
into the corner.
Oh, they're great, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, this is where the turning is for that Cafe de Lune. Well, I say it's shut down.
Closed. Can't believe that.
Might be able to see it from the other side of the estuary here.
It's a shame.
Yeah, it was a belting little place, wasn't it?
It was, yeah, really like. Food was really good as well.
Yeah.
Why did you have to put average speed cameras on it? You know what I mean? For God's sake.
Yeah, you can see Cafe there, can't you?
Yeah,
Looks like they just turned it back into the house or whatever, doesn't it?
yeah. It's a shame that. Damn shame. It was reasonable as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
If I remember rightly.
Hey up, looks like the tide's in, doesn't it? Should do a left here at roundabout and go over it back way.
Yeah.
Get that view in at top of the hill. It's a big barge, isn't it?
It is.
Thought you were on about your bike for a second then.
Them self-cancelling indicators are not working though, are they?
Not today, I don't know why.
Hey, be careful. At least the is indicators were after a beam of that.
I resemble that comment. Get this view here.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? It really is. Nice round here, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you remember that time we came here and then we were going to go over to, oh, what's it called? Where's Sambo's buried? Just over there. And
Oh,
we,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And we couldn't get to it because causeway were flooded, wasn't it?
I know, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that was a while back, weren't it?
Yeah. Crazy, innit? You think just there, but you've got to go all the way into Lancaster and back out.
Yeah,
you
and
know.
all the back out to get to it and all.
Yeah. Blackpool Tower. Just about see it looks nice over Blackpool now.
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Are you going again for radio?
It's just me. I tell you, it's just me.
Are you right, Luke?
Oh.
Right.
I'm going to go down there.
Tell you what, with sound of her voice, you could do with putting that bag down, couldn't you? Right?
You okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Right,
Right.
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 I mean, there's being friendly and then there's being odd.
Oh,
Definitely the latter.
We're all odd, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
It's raining.
We should be clear after this Suzuki. There's a white car coming, but he's turned in there. There's 2 cars behind that white one.
Yeah. Spotted.
You're clear after the blue one, and then there's a Golf coming.
Right. Yeah. Sorted.
Right.
Yeah, Tony, I'm even more confused at my Cardo now. Because it's been blabbing on about being on low battery, and we've just checked, and it's on 80%. So I think it's just lost the plot of it.
Hang on. Are you there, Tony?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this learner driver's emphasising the fact, isn't she? Or isn't he?